Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle Owner, and if it's your first time stopping by, you are highly welcome. So today I'll be teaching you how to draw strokes eyebrow. I'll be using my Morphe Gel Eyeliner, the black one. So I'm just drawing the under part of the brows. I'm not following the shape of our eyebrows because they are too scanty, so I want to make my own shape. To fill in the brows, I'll just go in short strokes, just like that. If you are doing this type of brows, you want to make sure your angle brush is as flat as possible. So I'll be using my Vianky Beauty Pro Concealer for the under part of the brows. I'm just following the shape I drew just to clean the under part of the brows. I'm not doing anything special there. And I'm going to be using the excess concealer on my angled brush to fill in the eyelid. And I'll use my blending brush to blend everything. I'm going to use my Nye Banana powder to set the concealer on the eyelid. For the top of the brows, I'm going to use my classic foundation in the shade CF5 to conceal the top of the brows. So I'm just following the same shape I drew with my gel eyeliner to conceal the brows. So I'm just blending the foundation into her skin, and then I'm going to use the same banana powder I used for the under of her brows to set the foundation. So guys, that's the end of this eyebrow tutorial. If you like the video or you learned one thing or two, just like my video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment.